Okay, good afternoon, class. So at this point we are looking at trigonometry. We're busy with exercise 15.1. Not so? What did I give you for homework? Nothing. Oh, you were writing today, so. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do number 3 together. I'll check your books after a couple of minutes to ensure that you guys are on the right track. Okay. Yes? Sorry? And now? Well done to her. You want a round of applause? I'm going to check the sum here. Yes. Okay, so please settle down. Exercise 15.1, page 344. I'm going to pause the video at this point, and then we'll come back once I've seen your books. I'll give you a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes, and we'll start with the first row, okay? Right. So let's do this. So the first question says calculate the length of BD. Would be D relative to the angle that is my opposite. This is your? That's your hypotenuse here. That's your adjacent. So which trigonometric function is the opposite and adjacent? 10. So you go 10 of 40 equals would be D over 12. So naturally over 1. You cross multiply. So 12 times tan 40 is 12 tan 40 equals BD. Now to get BD, the value of BD, put in a calculator. Include the calculator there, yes. So you got 12 tan 40. Give you 10,07. Can you see that? Now many of you wrote 10. The question did not specify how many decimal places, so you always work to 2. If they specify 1, then you got 1 in the nearest whole number and so on. Again, if they don't specify, you always work to 2 decimal places. Okay? Since it's meters, it goes meters. So there's 10,07 meters. Let's look at B. In B, they want to work out AB, the whole length here. However, I won't be able to work out the whole length unless this angle was 90 here. Even if that was 90, I'm shorting that length and that length. So it wouldn't, I couldn't have been able to work that out there either. If that was even known to us. Okay? No, this is 70. So if I add one of these, no, 90, I need a right angle triangle to apply 3. No? So, if you look at what we have here, we have that 10,07. So if I calculate AD, and I add that AD to 10,07, I will get the length of AB. Can you see that? So, if I look at that length, which is AD, is what to the angle, relative to the angle? It's opposite. And this here? Well, why am I going with adjacent and not the hypotenuse? I don't have a length of the hypotenuse. You see that, people? So opposite and adjacent is 10. So we got 10 of 30 equals AD over 12. Over 1 across multiply. So what does that give us? 12 tan 30 equals AD. So let's work out AD now. So it's going to be 12 tan 30. You 4 root 3. Not so. So therefore, AB, which is 4 root 3 plus 10,07. Or I could have written that as 6,93. It's the same thing. No? So it's plus 10.07 gives you 16,998, which is 17 meters. Okay, you guys understand? Right. Okay, we'll do another one. I know you wanted to ask. Here's number 5. I'll give you a couple of minutes and then we'll start again in that row. Mutali, I'm giving you a head start now, no? Sorry? Pause the video again at this point. Nice, let's do this. We said the calculate CB. CB is this length here. So what is that to the angle? Adjacent. And what do we have? Opposite. So which trigonometric function is that? Tan. So tan of 42 equals opposite, which is 15 over CB. Cross multiply. So that will be CB tan 42 equals 15. How do I get CB on its own? Divide by tan 42 both sides. Cancelled. So CB works out to be 15 over tan 42. Whoops. 16,66 centimeters. Let's look at B. B, they wanted to work out CD, which is the whole length. So what must be calculated first? BD. It's adjacent and opposite again, tan. So tan equals tan of 67 equals 15 over BD. Cross multiply. So it will give you BD tan 67 equals 15. Divide by tan 67. So BD is 15 over tan 67. I give you 6,37. So therefore CD 6,37 plus 16,66. Gives us 23,03. You guys understand? Right, for homework I would like you guys to conclude or complete all the sums in exercise 15.1. Okay. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class. It's afternoon, yes. Afternoon, how are you doing? Good, good. For Mexican, take a Mexican. Yes? You're late, what must I do? Late today, no? I like Mexican, but they're a bit spicy. Mexican is spicy. Pleasure, Michael. Where's your own calculator? Okay, no problem. Bye, enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah. You're late today. Bye.
Are you leaving straight after school?
Yeah.
Why?
Was Anna wait for you all the time?
No.
So? I must also got kids at home. Wa alaikum salam. Yeah. There's one packet left or something. Mexican, your flavor. Huh? Pizza.
I'm not sacrificing.
I was gonna say just one packet.
No, it's my pizza. Well, and so if you tell people, if you show people where my pizza is,
But listen,
where I put my pizza.
if
It's gonna be
yeah, only Mexican.
Oh.
That's not the issue. Thank you. Oh, I thought you got 1,000 rand note or something. And it says that 10 rand tag. You see where we put it. You worried about your change. Why you like it with us?